Thank you so much for taking the time to enter your email address on the previous page. I just want to take about a minute of your time to introduce you to what I believe is the best way to finally start seeing some success online, because there is a good chance that if you ever thought about making money online or starting a side hustle, this might not be your first time. The truth is, like most people, we may have failed in the past. I completely understand how that is. I've been there. I've done that. I know how it feels to struggle for, first of all, unfortunately, this is a part of process. Second of all, it's probably not even your fault, because of most of the information you receive, you get from the places like YouTubes and webinars, and this is bad. And this is true because most of the gurus are giving you information that it doesn't tell you the whole truth. So what I'm trying to say now is that I'm sure you've seen these before, where you are painting an opportunity for you to look fantastic, but then you get in and it's a lot harder than it looks. What's even worse is that a lot of the times the scammers are teaching you how to do one thing, but they make all of their money by selling courses. Course after course after course. Have been a victim of the scammy webinars and false promises that nobody stands behind. Luckily, I found something different, something new that actually works. Like, listen, the key is high ticket affiliate marketing products and services. This opportunity, that's why the legendary marketer can be so crucial to your success. This opportunity that I'm sharing with you today was put together by a guy named Dave Sharpe, Sharp, Sharpe. If you click on the button, that's on this page, and you're going to see a quick presentation so you can get more information, you will learn about his background and how he wants to share his 8-figure business model with you. Also, you will clearly see why high-ticket affiliate marketing is the answer to have been looking for. So right now, go ahead, click the button below to watch the presentation and see if this is an opportunity for you. You've been looking for yourself. Remember, if you want to live the dream life that desire and deserve, you have to take action. And the first step of taking action is to click on the button that's on this page and go watch the presentation from Dave, my friend and my mentor. I think he's going to really open your eyes to the potential of high-ticket affiliate marketing programs and services. I'm excited for you. This is a hot opportunity that is helping countless men and women become successful online. Now is the best time to jump on board. But don't decide just yet. First step is to simply click the button and watch the presentation so you can see for yourself if high-ticket affiliate marketing is the right opportunity for you. And I want to say thank you for watching this video. My name is George Gillis Jr. I'm an affiliate marketer, and I'm an affiliate with the Legendary Marketing System. And my mentor, Dave Sharpe, taught me how to do and get the results that I need. Now, you can do the same thing. All you have to do is get on in and start doing it. Implement the plan by taking action today. Click the button below to hear the presentation and see for yourself, and we'll see you on the inside. Thank you.